Hello, hello. Welcome to ShadyNY. I'm Marilyn, and today we have another fun box. Yay! It's relaxed fun box day. So we're gonna just go through this quickly. Hopefully we will see if there's any Christmas items in it and see what we think. So this one is from Suwanee, Georgia. So if you haven't been here before, my name is Marilyn. My husband's name is Barry, and we are part-time resellers. We primarily do jewelry, but sometimes we do other things. And today we are doing a fun box unboxing. If you haven't heard of the fun boxes from ThredUP, this is it. I just opened it. It's from Suwanee, Georgia. It's an online consignment store. There it is, still in the tissue. This one is from Suwanee, Georgia, like I said. And I ordered this on November 30th. It was $32 plus shipping and tax. And if you see anything that interests you, definitely send us an email at shadyny@gmail.com. It is a new email, so I'm still trying to get used to it. So thank you so much. Everything is for sale, unless I say otherwise. Shipping is $5. Under a pound, anything over a pound is based on where you're located and how much it weighs. So let's just jump right in and see if we have anything good. Okay, we have a box. A bag, bubble bag. Oh, looks like we have some jewelry. Did I say this is from Suwanee, Georgia? I think I'm gonna have to have my glasses on this one. Okay, so we have a Alex and Ani little, it says Vintage 66. It's one of their little wrap bracelets, and it is in a iridescent, so that's nice, and it's wrapped so it'll fit anybody. So that's nice. So we'll just say $5 for the Alex and Ani. And here we have a Crystal Avenue, a 47-inch long, on a special day for beautiful me. Lead and palladium compliant. And there is no price, but it still is new on tag. So that's nice. Wow, that's long. Well, as it said, it was long. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Does that move? It does. Okay, so it's like a lariat. So it is in a rose gold with, I keep picking up. So it's a rose gold with all these rhinestones. Isn't that beautiful? And this moves, so you can make it short or long. Ah, I love that. And then there's two open ends. This is gorgeous. It feels really luscious, so it's nice. Looks like, Crystal Avenue, silver-plated crystals simulated, made with Swarovski crystals. Okay. Here is one just like it on Poshmark, used for $20, and since this one is new with tags, so let's say 15. That is very pretty. And then we have a Kendra Scott ring, very pretty. It is a size 6. And that's what it looks like. So it is one of the Druzy, D-R-U-Z-Y. I think it says, that's how you say it. So it looks like it's about $30 on Poshmark. So let's just say, let's do $10. Isn't that pretty? Very pretty. Yay, we had jewelry. Hello, hello. I thought I'd pop in. That was fun doing the jewelry. And now we have a little bit more fun box to come. But I thought I'd throw a little bit more clearance jewelry in there. Because, hey, never can have enough jewelry. Let's see what's in this bag. This is a clearance bag I picked up at the auction. So let's see what's in here. I have absolutely no idea. It might just be all bits and pieces, but let's check it out. Whoa. Here is a groovy, I mean, it needs to be cleaned up, but this is really groovy, big acrylic beaded necklace. Look at that cool bead on the end. It is a big roller clasp, so that's telling us that this is probably from the late 60s at least. That is groovy, guys. I have no idea what this is. It's a metal with enamel on a gold tone chain. No mark. Magnetic. The metal is not with the enamel on it. Needs to be cleaned. It's a purple, orange, and pink on one side and a blue and teal on the other. Here is a pair of acrylic screwback earrings. This still has the film on it. That's really cool looking. And it's a mirror. That's cool. This is just going into craft. This looks like it used to be a pen. It had a pen back, but it doesn't anymore. This was probably a pendant. And it has shell, dyed shell, some glass. So that's pretty cool. These match. These are cool. These are Marvella. That's cool. And these are really groovy. Check out these, because it's like on a swivel. So they're comfort clips. You know, I thought I saw this somewhere. I think this lot goes with this lot. Because I thought I saw... I'm going to open this up too. Right off, these are cool. They just need to be cleaned up. They're clip-on earrings. And they're roses. And they're like... And they're braided with these little... it's really, really dirty also. So if somebody's interested in this... I'm going to put this all back in the bag. I'm going to weigh this for us. That one's a Napier. So let's weigh this bag. So this bag is 3 pounds, 12.4 ounces. And this is going to be $25. So if anybody's interested in this completely craft bag, it's $25. And I'm going to write that on there. $25. Okay, since that was going to be all crafts items, one big bag of craft, I decided to bring out some of my favorite pieces and show you guys and offer a couple up to you guys. This one right here is gorgeous in my opinion. This is a Victorian gold-plated birds with palm trees brooch. It's a C-clasp, and you can see, I believe it is made from brass and is covered in 10 karat plate or finish. But isn't that gorgeous? I just love this piece. It is gorgeous. It's very, very detailed. It's an open cutout design of a tropical landscape featuring the 2 cranes alighting into some palm trees. I think it's just beautiful. The brooch has a double rounded rectangle shape and one inside of the other. And then it has this small little beaded border. I thought was really, really cool. Very, very Edwardian even. So Victorian Edwardian feel to it. It is 2 3/8 by 2 inches. So I'm going to say let's do $50 for this one. Gorgeous. This is a 40 Represent rose panel bracelet snap closure. Isn't that cool? It just snaps. And they're all little roses, pressed roses. And this is a silver plate. It is slightly magnetic, has lots of O-rings, and it just pops open. Snaps were very, very popular in the 30s and 40s. This is not signed in any place, but it is just fabulous. It is 7 inches. It's very romantic and has these sweet cabbage rose panels on it. There's 10 links, and each with a rose. And the one in the center is the larger one. Just beautiful. I love this. Look at that. It's just so romantic. And that's the one thing I love about the Victorian and Edwardian ages. It was just romance. So this, I'm going to say, let's do $45 for. Love that. These I adore. These are just beautiful. Oh, what's wrote on the bottom again? I think it says made in Austria, but no, it's made in Germany. Yes, made in Germany. Aren't these gorgeous? These are on brass, 1930s, 40s, iridescent rhinestone clip-ons with pink, blue, and green. And look at these iridescent little beads up here. Just beautiful. I think these are like, has to be one of my favorite clip-ons that I have in my possession. I just think they're fabulous. They're so delicate and sweet, yet they're really, really sturdy feeling and like not moving or anything. They're just really good construction. They have these beautiful iridescent baguettes up here on the top. Just gorgeous. So these are 7/8 of an inch by 3/8 by 1/2 inch. Aren't those wonderful? So I'm going to say on these, let's do $14. I love those. Now these are a little later. These also are not signed. Really, really well constructed. These are vintage 50s, red and pink, mid-century modern rhinestone clip-ons. And has the 2 pink accent rhinestones with the red emerald cut rhinestones. Very, very pretty. These are, like I said, unsigned. These are 3/4 of an inch by 5/8 of an inch by 1/4, and very, very good condition. Let's do $12 on these. These are gorgeous. These are doing a little different. I think these are 70s or 80s. They are clip-ons. They are inlay with onyx, turquoise, and coral, and then sterling silver is separating each of, and mother of pearl is separating each of the colors, and then it has acrylic on the back, and they are just clip-ons with little beads. I believe they're magnetic, and they're unsigned. The whole thing's magnetic. So I'm going to say, I just think these are like really cool, especially the colors on them are just gorgeous. You can see the inlay set on top. Very, very nicely done. And these are 2 3/8 inch by 13/16 by 3/16. So I'm going to say, let's do $12 on these. And the last thing I have is one of my most favorite pieces that I have. It is a belt buckle, Victorian belt buckle. Isn't that just crazy? Look at that. That is just exquisite in my opinion. This is a Victorian, I believe this is turquoise glass, and the back of it is brass. Cabochon Champlain belt buckle. So it's enamel, and it has some crazing, and it is just stunning, ornate, Victorian 2-piece belt buckle. I mean, it is old. It does have some missing enamel right in here, but to be this old in this condition is just amazing in my opinion. It has the one large cabochon in the center, and it's just crazy. And the pink and the white, it's just so delicate, and once again, that romance of the Victorian age. And it does come in 2 sections. This part goes on your belt or your sash, ties onto here, and then it clips in. Gorgeous. So this piece right here, I'm going to do $100 for. And it is um 3 inches by 2 inches. Exquisite. love it. Those are some of my favorite pieces. Hope you enjoyed seeing these and enjoyed looking at them. If you have any questions on anything, definitely send me an email. Tell me in the comments what you think of this. Do you like me throwing in some of my favorite pieces every now and then? But these are all for sale. If you're interested in something, send us an email at ShadyNY@gmail.com. We have a little, yes, hello, Brendia's channel. Aren't you jealous? If y'all haven't seen Brent's and Janet's channel, go check it out. Here we have a patent leather with the silver, black, and white C's. It is a little wristlet. It looks like, it has the handle over here, okay, but it looks like it has the pull over here that says Coach. However, there's not one for here, but it does work, and it is purple inside. It has some staining right there and a little bit more on the inside, but not too bad. And it's really a pretty, I'm going to pull this down, a really purple, so that's nice. Let's push that back up. It's a little too much in my face. And it looks like it needs to be cleaned here too, but it feels like a satiny finish. So I'm going to say let's just do without cleaning it, because I don't clean bags either. So let's say $15. We have some socks. These are sock size 9 to 11, and they have shells and seahorses, so sea life, and they're $5.99, and they are 43% cotton, 29% nylon, 26% polyester, and 2% spandex. And they were originally $5.99. So let's just do $2. Here. Oh, how cool is this? It is new with tags. Peanuts plush robe by Berkshire Blanket and Home Company. It is 2019, and it is a plush robe, and it's in peanuts. Like I said, it is a small, and it's plushy. Faux fur, extra plush for comfort. Designed in New England. Made in China. And it has Woodstock, isn't that his name? I think that's his name. On the outside. That is cute. Oh, the dog's name is Snoopy. The cat, the little bird is Woodstock. So just the plush robe is $50. And it has the plushie, and it's a short robe. So there you go. How cute. Love that. Wait a minute. Hold on. It has no tie. Yeah, no tie. It's okay. So we're just going to do, $10. We have a Kalik, is that how you say it? 1416, the slimmer high waist brief. There you go. And it's new with tags, 1416. It was originally $16.50. So let's do $8. New with tags. Here is a bra by Alden, Razorback, the Ace. Let's see, where is the size? Oh, that's a pretty razorback. That is tiny. Let's see what the size is. So this is a Target brand, and it's a 32C, but it's pretty. So let's just do, it's an underwire. So let's do $8. We have a vintage pair of Givenchy. Well, how do you say it again? Givenchy. I don't know that word. I know it's backwards. And this says Essentials. Well, it's from TJ Maxx. And this is an old TJ Maxx for $3.99. This is black, tall, AB, made in the USA. Nice. So let's say $2. Love it. And the last thing in the box is a New York & Company cosmetic bag, 100% polyester. And it's white with a zipper. It's just a cosmetic bag. And it is clean inside. So I'm just going to say $2. Hit myself in the head. So it has a strap. So yeah, $2. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bummed about the strap. I mean the belt. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once again, Georgia is exactly 10. So what'd you think? Hope you enjoyed it. If you saw anything you're interested, give us an email at ShadyNY@gmail.com and we will get you a PayPal invoice right away. Hello. Welcome back to day 16 of the Christmas holiday giveaway drawing. So we're going to get our URL, go over to our random picker, put in our URL, filter duplicate users. Let's go over to our random number. We are putting in 10 and 90 today. We have 81, 81, nope, so we have to put in 10 to 90 again. 75. Come on, 75. Nope. Hopefully 3 times charm today, great peoples. Reload. 10 to 90. 39. Come on, number 39, 39, 39. Give us a 39. Whoop, whoop, whoop. We have somebody. Fingers crossed. Faith Evans, congratulations. I really like the bracelets that reminded you of Jack's and the necklace that's reminiscent of chainmail. Number 39 today. Congratulations, Faith. I'm just checking the number 39 and 39. Congratulations. Yay. All you need to do is send me an email and we will get you squared away with your gift. Thank you so much, everybody. We really, really appreciate this. We're having a great time, and hopefully you are too. Definitely today, for our new numbers, let's do number 1 to 85. 1 to 85. Congratulations again, Faith Evans, and happy holidays, everybody. Hope you enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe below if you haven't already. If you have, we appreciate it. Thank you for spending a little bit of your day with us, and we will see you on the next one.